Hello everyone! We are here now in the most impressive bell cave in Maresha, a huge quarry. The carvers carved around a narrow opening in the caliche layer, then went down while widening the cave, thus creating a bell shape. The cave reaches a height of 25 meters. Working underground had several advantages. This region is characterized by extreme cold in the winter and high heat in the summer. The temperature inside the cave hardly changed during the year, so in winter the cave was warm, and in summer there was almost a feeling of natural air conditioning. Bell caves were dug either under houses, whose main purpose in this case was to store water, or in open areas where they mainly used as quarries of soft chalk that was used in the cement industry for raw materials, for the lime industry, and for constructing stones. In some cases, the cave was used as cisterns. Characteristic of the cistern is the staircase left by the carvers alongside and the stone railings. The depth of bell caves ranges from the several meters to 25 meters. So ayan, napaka-amazing talaga nitong bell caves na ito at kami ay pauwi na on that time niyan at kami nagkukulitan lang ng bonggang-bongga kasi nagmamadali na kami para sa aming next destination. Hindi, magla-lunch muna kami on that time ng bongga dito sa my Bell Caves. And yan, thank you nga pala sa mga nagbigay ng food at ako po ay nakikain lamang at ang dala ko lamang on that time ay saging at clementina ng bonggang-bongga. Thank you so much sa mga food. Ang taas na po ang bahalang magbalik ng mga biyaya sa inyo ng bonggang-bongga. Thank you so much, Our Lady of Perpetual Help Association in Jerusalem, Olpa Trip, the annual trip in Olpa ng bonggang-bongga. Thank you so much.